My name is Jeremy Griffin. I'm the owner of Griffin Plumbing. I co-own the company with my wife, Joy. And Griffin Plumbing is a premium service and repair company. Our clients are residential homeowners and commercial building owners. If it has to do with wastewater or gas, plumbing fixtures, equipment such as water heaters, toilets, faucets, we can do all of that. We also have a drain division as well. We take a meticulous approach to resolving our customers' issues. We believe that it's our job to be able to give the customer all of the information from the most premium option that could be done all the way down to the most basic. And communication is key with that. So keeping the customer informed every step of the way and all the way through the end of the call. Every member of our team goes through a rigorous vetting process before they join our team. It's standard these days to do a drug test and background check, and we do those things. But in addition, we also make sure that the people that are going to be joining align with our core values, which is faith, family, excellence. As it's important that everybody is on the right seat on the bus. That way we can provide a top-notch service to the customer. I would describe us as the little engine that could. When Joy and I started in business back in 2003, we didn't know much. Our business acumen on a scale of 1 to 10 was probably a 1, and we just didn't have the processes in place to hire correctly and provide a higher level of customer service. Over the years, through a lot of education, through ongoing training, and the I think I can attitude, just never giving up, we were really able to learn the right way to hire first-class people to be able to provide an excellent service for our customer. We're different than other plumbers who just use a snake to poke a hole in things and then call it drain cleaning. We do a thorough service. And for me and our company, what that looks like is we restore flow to the drain first. Typically that's with a cable. But then we follow that with a camera so that we can look and inspect and understand exactly what the root cause of the problem is. And then once that's known, we can prescribe the correct course of action. At a minimum, we're giving the customer all the information they need so there's no surprises and they know exactly where they stand. We do have all the correct equipment for drain cleaning, from hydrojetters to cure in place pipelining, as well as line bursting equipment. So we really can do it all. We are a truly full service drain shop as well. I'd like to thank our team members. Without them, this company wouldn't exist. It's truly an honor and a privilege to be able to work and know them all. I'd also like to thank our clients. I appreciate the feedback and continued relationships that we have with them. So thank you, everybody.